Hi, I'm Chelsea Young. I'm a local farmer here in Arrington, Tennessee. We are brand new farmers. We started in 2022, and we are working with David and Henosis to incorporate mushrooms so that we can enrich our soil along the process.
Thanks for having us out today, and I'm excited to share with you the possibilities of growing wine caps along with your vegetables. The first thing you need to do before you establish your wine cap bed is you need to pick a great spot to do it in. This is a great bed because you already have all of this cover crop here. Wine caps are essentially another cover crop.
You want to pick the cover crop and prepare the bed, and then the liatris, which are these down here, will give it some shade.
That's right. So we should probably put this back in the bed because there's all this nice soil here on the roots of the plants. And then all this green material will be nitrogen for your plants and for the mushroom bed. You can use cardboard for the base layer of your mushroom bed, but today we're going to use newspaper because it's a little more malleable, especially since you already have plants here. So we can kind of work in between them and get the nice base layer for the mycelium to run the whole length.
Great.
You can shred it up. It doesn't have to be like one method. It's just as long as we can get it as close to the plant as possible.
This looks great. Okay, so now we want to water.
Right.
Over the newspaper?
Correct.
Okay.
And you just want to soak it. You don't want to overwater it and break up anything. Mushrooms need water, so this gives them a little foundation to work with.
Okay, so the next step then would be to sprinkle the mushrooms?
You want to just sprinkle this like you would rubbing your hands.
Yeah, okay.
You just get nice little clusters, and you don't want a ton on each layer. You want to really spread this out.
Okay.
So each bag will cover around 50 square feet.
50 square feet. Okay, so this is only a 4x4 bed.
This is
16.
So we're going to be good.
Okay. Oh yeah.
The more surface area you give it, the quicker that it's going to colonize your garden bed.
Oh.
So that's why it's good to just like really spread it out, break up these larger chunks.
Okay. So next step would be to get the submerged chips and start layering?
That's right.
Okay, let's do it.
You really want to add maybe up to 3 inches on that first layer.
Okay.
And you can add up to 6 inches for the whole bed, but you don't want to add too much more because then you're creating like a composting system. So we want to add another layer of spawn on top of the wood chips.
Oh, okay. Great.
And then we'll cake layer more newspaper on top of that. We'll add one more layer of sawdust spawn, and kind of want to make sure just to pour off some of
the water. Okay.
Yeah, just because it will drown. So the last layer we'll do is straw, because it'll be a nice kind of diverse array of food source for the mushroom mycelium, and it'll look a little better for your gardening and provide all the nutrients that the mycelium needs.
I love this.
Yeah.